Hey ladies and gentlemen, we've got 5 weeks to go. Welcome back to the Couch to Ultramarathon Runner YouTube series. Hit that notification bell, hit the like or dislike button and comment below. We're getting off the couch and we're getting onto the fells. How are you doing? Are you doing fine? Are you doing well? I've missed you. It's been a week. It's been a long, hard week. I trust you're all looking forward to the world opening up shortly. Certainly is in the UK. Spring is in the air, the clocks go forward, and we're getting close to being outdoors properly. But until then, the graft carries on. We've done 3 strength and conditioning workouts this week. One of them, the last one on Saturday, terrible, absolutely agony. But got to get amongst it, you've got to embrace it. No pain, no gain, as somebody said. I've done 3 runs as well. A 5k, which was great. A 6k, which was great. And a 10k, which was even better. The 10k had a little bit of iliotibial band soreness towards the end, so I just eased off a bit. Had a little walk. We were along the Malvern Hills, so what's not to love about that? The weather was nice. The vistas were lovely. Maybe I should do a video shortly from there so you can see. But not a recent video, but maybe an old one you can check out on the old trekking channel. Go over to YouTube to find out, or you could head over to trekkingtweed.com. I've got the videos on there, I've got blogs on there, and I'm soon going to have some podcasts on there. I've recorded one already. I'm recording some more in the upcoming weeks, and we will be launching soon. I have slightly gone off piece there, but back to the running. I'm enjoying getting out, I'm enjoying running. I'm enjoying going through Strava a little more now. I'm not the best person when I'm injured. I'm not the most patient, but we are being patient. Next week, we're upping the miles ever so slightly. Same strength and conditioning workouts. Patience is the key. We will be 4 weeks ahead, away from the race, which has got me blabbering and nervous, but we're continuing to recover. We're doing the foam massage rolling. We were watching those videos with the stretches. I've got Rose the massage ball in the glutes. We're doing glute stretches. So we're getting stronger. This whole process, it's been going on months now, but I think we're learning. I'm definitely learning more about my body, and hopefully I'm passing on little nuggets of information and tips for you. So that's about it, ladies and gentlemen, really. We've covered the strength and conditioning. I've been running. I'm happy, super happy to run. And I'm going to be super happy to get out there in the wilderness, hit up some of the amazing areas in the UK, just like yourselves will be. So with that, have a lovely week. We will be back with 4 weeks. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, like or dislike the videos, and comment. Head over to trekkingtweed.com, easy for me to say, for more updates. It's good to connect. Take care. Keep safe.